Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best sawhorses that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. And finally at number 1, we have the Bora Portmate Speedhorse Sawhorse. If you are looking for a convenient portable sawhorse to travel with, get this magnificent tool. It can compress to a much smaller size for easy carrying around. This also ensures you don't take too much space in your storage areas at home. It is recommendable for use in both small and large projects since it supports objects weighing up to 1,500 pounds. It comes in a pair to provide support on both sides. The sawhorse has a working table that is pre-drilled, so you can have an easy time when screwing your wood. It comes pre-assembled. Thus, you don't need too much time when putting it together. At number 2, we have the KASTFORCE KF3003 Folding Sawhorse. This is a perfect sawhorse for use in both commercial and small home wood projects. It is super durable and sturdy since it can withstand a weight of up to 2,200 pounds. The whole pack comes with 2 pieces for use on both sides and ensures great support for the objects. The sawhorse is solely made of steel material that is coated on the outside to prevent it from rainwater damages. The metal legs feature anti-slip material to prevent the tool from sliding when working in slippery areas. At number 3, we have the WORX Pegasus Multifunctional Worktable and Sawhorse. This is a flexible and versatile unit that you can either use a sawhorse or as a working table. It is comfortable in case you want to travel with it, or for storage purposes. The unit is perfect for both large and small projects since it can support an object with a weight range of 300 to 1,000 pounds. The legs have a locking mechanism to prevent it from sliding when working in slippery areas. It also comes with other accessories like the clamp dogs that locks up the object you are working on. Moving on at number 4, we have the WORX Clamping Sawhorse Pair with Bar Clamps. This is a lightweight sawhorse that you can carry around when doing your professional works. It comes in 2 pairs to provide ample support on both sides and can be used with objects weighing up to 1,000 pounds. It is foldable for comfortable carrying, and this also reduces the required storage space in the house. The tool has an inbuilt shield essential for keeping your working tools like the hooks, cords, and other small materials. Number 5, we have the 2x4 Basics 90196 Custom Pro Brackets Sawhorse. This is a great sawhorse for people involved in small woodwork projects because it takes little time to set it up. All you need is a screwdriver to connect the parts. It is sturdy and durable, considering it can support objects weighing up to 200 pounds. Its brackets feature sturdy and durable material for supporting even the heavy objects. The pieces can be fixed to form 2 pairs of sawhorses consisting of stabilizing feet for support when working. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.